Clean spirits. The bottle says it supports healthy liver function, but that's not all. Clean Spirits was made because I worked in a lot of addiction therapy clinics, and I also worked with a lot of mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical health aspects in my career. I'm a scientist, I'm also a mother, and I'm a daughter, I'm a wife, and I've been around the world to 89 countries. There's a lot of issues that happen in this life that impact our overall health. Addiction is really hard to fight. This was important to me because I really wanted to go through the different pathways of the body without claiming to cure anything. I wanted to really clean them out. And sometimes it's harder when people have had either addiction or emotional and mental anguish. Stress and anxiety are not fun. Depression isn't fun. People feel ashamed when they're experiencing these things. This was something that I thought was a natural solution that would really help people. The ingredients in this really touch upon different pathways and points from the P450 system to the IL-2 and the IL-4 system. It's really important that you're able to take a product that can get into the body and really clean it out. Why did I call it Clean Spirits? I love the name because our spirit needs to be clean, our body needs to be clean. You only need 2 or 3 drops a day. Some people do take more, but drink lots of water while you're doing it. It's something that I think will really help your life in a number of ways. And not just if you drink or if you take other things that maybe you shouldn't into your body. It will also support healthy people at really trying to get the things out that shouldn't be in there. It has 2 more products that go along with it that we'll talk about later, but I hope you enjoyed the first part of Clean Spirits.